The ladies on the Pinterest, how you manage to be aesthetically pleasant all on your pictures or on your videos with the nice clothes and hairstyle and everything. Cette vidéo, hein. It's very windy and very dusty, and I'm trying to film. Sometimes it hurts. Sometimes it hurts. The sand is really harsh here. Look at me, what is this? Which one is the delusion? Is my reality or Pinterest reality? Just, I don't know, it's not the reality. Look at me. We are in Monumento al Comercio. I hope my pronunciation is good. So there's a restaurant which was constructed by an architect, and also you see these little green doors behind me where you can find handcrafted products.
My business, humming a song. I'm happy by myself, not a care in the world. This is a life, just me, myself, and I. I'm watching the clouds up in the sky, all but laughing out loud. I'm telling you why I'm living the life, just me, myself, and I.
gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really.
Je vais libérer ma reine.
I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till I die. Day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too.
C'est pas un tableau.